Hey, this is Damon Nelson with VidPenguin, and this is kind of a special uh, announcement here. You probably have gotten at least 10, 15 emails today about Youzign. I bought it under one of these other affiliates, but I want to tell you a little bit about it. It is a great little graphics editor, and it's I think only $27 for the next 4 days. So what I want to do for you, if you buy through my link below here, I'm going to put on a special webinar February 17th at 4 p.m. Central Time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you with Youzign how to make intro slides and outro slides and how to make call to actions. And this is a kind of neat. I've started playing around with the templates, and I bought the regular at $27, but I upgraded to the Pro. I think it's another $67. You don't need that, but Pro gives you like 1,000 templates, and I'm going to go into the software and show you everything that you get with it. You don't need any of the other stuff. There's 3 other upsells. Unless you want the white label product, I don't think you need anything else. And you don't even need the $67 upsell unless you're going to be using a lot of the templates, the pre-made templates. But using it as a regular photo editor, I bought the original version, version 1.0, and it never kind of lived up to its what they were saying were all the benefits to it. It was very slow, it's online, and this version, it's online, but it's very fast, which is amazing. And then you can also get a desktop version that you can use and a mobile version, so it's kind of neat. So anyway, let's go in, and I want to show you the actual product itself. And I'm using an image preview right now. Let's go back here. That's the neat thing. You can click on image preview and it will pop up an image for you. And you can click on any of these and you can move them around, and it has those blue lines which will line it up with other items in there. And it will also center it. So this is a really neat little program, and I imported that image, and you just do an upload here, and you can upload, you just drag them in, and any of this text, you can just change the font, you can change the style, you can change the size, you can even do an inner shadow or a shadow with it. And what's neat is you can center it on the page, or I'm going to just reverse that real quick. And so you can see how easy it is to delete it. And so if you make a mistake, you can quickly move around, change everything. Of course, you can double click and edit the text real easily. So this is just kind of a cool little software. Now, I'll go into a couple others that I've made, and of course you can just save it. Here to Facebook, and it's going to ask you what you want to do. Do you want to do an ad, large, medium, small, and cover photo? Or you can just do a regular Facebook post if you want. So let's choose this. We'll do a Facebook ad, medium size. So you can choose any of these. You can view them first. You can actually download that image if you want, or better yet, you can just come right over here and say use. I like it, it requires you to put a file name first before you get started. Okay, so here's the cool thing, is you can take this image and you can move it around, and usually it's larger images, so if you want to use the blue up here for your headline, and again you can center it, and I'm going to change it to white. So I'll come up here, make my color white. And I'm going to change it to this. Let's do some grunge in here. If you get offset, or you can put it right in the center if you want. Move it back up here. I mean, this has all the features that Photoshop has for making post ads. So anyway, I'm just going to save it here. But I want to show you some of the other themes and some of the other things that you can do with it. Now, I'm going to have a webinar as a bonus here. And the bonus webinar is going to show you how to make intro slides, outro slides, and also how to do a really cool call to action inside of your videos. And these are slides that you would actually insert in your video. And I'll show you how to do it on a timeline editor. So I'm going to go back to home. And what's neat is you can edit, you can view, you can of course download, you can share the link, you can push to another user, you can save it as a template, or you can clone it and keep on editing. So anyway, that's kind of that. And what I want to do is go into select template here. And so you can see a lot of different things over here, but look at this under prints. You can do business cards. You can do coupons, you can do flyers, gift certificates. So to create this business card, this is a vertical card. So just as an example, I'm going to use this, uploads, and I'm going to take out, oops. So this is just really cool how you can do this. I'm just going to call it, oops. Vid. And I'm just showing you how you can quickly make a business card out of this deal here. And you can bring, there are layers, so you can bring it to the front, you can drop it down if you want it below this right here. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this over, move this over. I need to move that over too. So this is kind of cool, and like this background here, if you want to change the pattern, or you could make it a gradient pattern, solid, give it a pattern here, and let's see what it looks like. Go back to that, do you can change your checkered pattern. This is just a really nice little program. Of course, you don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, put it back with what I had originally. I think I had a pattern in there. Let's do that. I kind of like that. And let's say I want to change that to our custom red. And I'll change that to red. And I'm going to slant that just a little bit. And I'm going to pull it over just a little bit more. So you can see there's so much that you can do with this, and it's just really just clicking and playing. And the beauty of this is all this is online right now. Let's make that white. And you can come in and change any of this, change the colors, the address, and you're ready to send this off and save it as. And if you want to preview it, that's the way it's going to look. And you're ready to download also. So I just kind of wanted to show you this. Now, once you get into if you purchase this through my link, I want you to click on that link, and this is where it's going to take you to the Youzign webinar. And this is how to make video slides that help you sell. And like I said, I'm going to show you how to do high converting intros, outros, and call to actions. So I hope you like this. I hope you enjoyed the webinar too, because probably about 2 days worth of work is going to go into making this webinar. I'm going to collapse everything into how to make videos with these really cool slides. So I hope you enjoy this. Stay